3 ways powerful speakers use pauses to command a room. Most people think great speakers are great because they know what to say. Great speakers know when to stop talking. The right pauses can make you sound more confident, more intelligent, and more impactful even before you say another word. I learned this in Rwanda, not from a speech, not from a presentation, but from silence itself. And today, I'll show you 3 ways to use pauses instantly to become a better speaker. One of the most powerful experiences I had in Rwanda was visiting the lake. What struck me was that nothing was said. It was what wasn't. The silence carried weight, presence, emotion, and it reminded me of something most speakers miss. Silence is not empty. Silence gives word power. That completely changed how I communicate. So number 1, pause after your most important point. Most people pause before the big line. Powerful speakers pause after it because the pause is what gives the message time to land. So this is how to do it. You find the 3 most important lines in your speech or presentation, and after each one, you intentionally stop for 2 to 3 seconds. Do not explain the point immediately. Let the audience absorb it. For example, instead of "Your communication determines your opportunities because people judge confidence quickly," say "Your communication determines your opportunities," and then you pause. This silence creates emphasis. It signals confidence, and confidence makes people listen. The second point is you use silence to regain attention. When people lose the room, they usually react by talking faster or louder. The better move, stop talking completely. Silence instantly creates awareness. People look up because the pattern has changed. So this is how to do it. You pause unexpectedly in the middle of a thought. You ask a question and then you wait. Hold eye contact instead of rushing to fill space. For example, what is the biggest mistake most speakers make? Now, the audience is they're thinking of an answer for you, which means that you've engaged them again. Silence resets attention better than volume ever will. Number 3, practice silence before you speak. Most of us walk into presentations carrying noise, stress, nerves, overthinking, urgency. Great speakers walk in with presence, and presence starts before the first sentence. So this is how to do it. Before any meeting, speech, or presentation, put your phone away for 2 minutes. Stop rehearsing. Breathe slowly. Stand still before you begin speaking. Then start calmly. That small moment of stillness changes your energy completely. People don't just hear speakers, they feel them. So, if you want to become a better speaker, stop focusing only on your words. Focus on your pauses, because silence creates emphasis, rebuilds attention, and makes your presence stronger. This week, try one thing after your next important sentence. Pause. This week, try one thing after your next important sentence. Pause. Just long enough for people to feel it. Cheers!